So my husband sent me some grow bags. It says 7-gallon grow bags. I There's not 7 here. They're 5. So and it doesn't look like they're 7 gallons of grow bag. Maybe it is 7 gallons. Actually, that's probably what they are. These are probably 7-gallon grow bags. Now that I think, 1-gallon grow bags are about the size that I grow my lettuces in. So I'm not really sure what. They're very colorful. There's a gray, a green, a tan, a red, and then it came with some really cheap, flimsy plant tags. So we'll see. We'll see about those. Our Oklahoma wind will probably just ride off with those. There's not even a pink one in here, so I'm not sure. 7 gallons. I'm not really. It's not enough to grow a tomato plant in. It's not enough to grow a pepper plant in. Maybe some peanuts. Maybe I'll try peanuts in these bags. Maybe they'll be my peanut bags. So we will see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye now.